Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can convert an Excel file to PDF. If you want to send out only a specific portion of a large sheet, or if you don't want it to be editable, converting an Excel file to PDF can come in handy. Method 1. Using Excel. If you only want a part of the Excel file to be converted to PDF, select it, otherwise don't select. Click File tab. Click Export. Click Create PDF XPS. Choose a location to save the PDF file. Give a name to the PDF file in the file name text box. Click Options to adjust the settings for the PDF file. In the Publish What section of the Options window, select what gets included in the PDF, whether the PDF includes the selection, entire workbook or just active sheet. Click OK. Click Publish. Method 2. Using Google Slides. Go to slides.google.com and log in. Click on the plus icon. Click File menu and click Open. Click Upload tab. Click on Select a file from your device and select the worksheet which you want to convert to PDF. Click File menu. Click Download and click PDF document. Click Export. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.